1. Tighten the black screws of the end caps. 2. Remove the original screws and use them to fix the brackets. The mid and rear brackets are same. The front bracket is the most longest one. Three. Remove the nuts and washers under the running boards for later use. 4. Move the T-screws to the corresponding locations of the brackets. 5. Align the T-screws with the bracket holes. 6. Mount and tighten all the washers and nuts. 7. Check all the hardware again. Installation completed.